So you're famous Amos.
No, I am famous Amos. You've got to say it right, because I'm just the top of the top.
Well,
and you know, my tail is wagging, but don't let that give me away.
Oh, why? Because you're too sophisticated to wag?
Too sophisticated for this type of thing. And I'm pretty darn large. I'm larger than life. And I think I just ate, too, because my belly's huge right now.
So you have a cowlick.
No, a cow licked me right there.
No.
Right on the nose. Yeah.
It's kind of cute.
It is. It wasn't very pleasant when that cow did that, but
well,
his head was bigger than mine, and here comes this giant tongue that was longer than I am.
I think you're telling stories now.
Well, no.
I don't think there was a real cow. That's not what a cowlick is.
He was 800 pounds, and I told him, I said, you better back up, buddy. And he said, no. And then he licked my face, and I said, that's it. It's kung fu time. And then I had some hamburgers. It's not very nice.
No, it's not.
But that's what I told him. I told him, don't mess with famous Amos.
Okay, well, famous, we gotta go.
Okay, bye.
Bye.